What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I sound stupid right now because I feel a little sick. Hopefully it's not the Rona. Anyway, by the title you can tell we're going to show y'all the leveling kit on the truck today, and then we're going to take them stupid mud flaps off, rock guards. All right, y'all, there it is. Once again, sorry for sounding like I sound. I got her all shined up for this too. But that is with the Zone 1 3/4 inch leveling kit on the TrailBoss lift kit. So I mean, if you stand way back here and look, I mean, obviously the suspension is going to settle in the front, but it almost looks a little bit tooted up, which I'm fine with. But with this leveling kit and the TrailBoss 2-inch lift, we're pretty much at a 4-inch lift. And man, does it look good. That's how we're sitting. Honestly, that's not awful. It could be worse. Obviously it's not perfect, it should be flat, but it's really not bad. But, you know, leveling kit suspension on the truck, you know, just gonna throw out the geometry a little bit, but I'm fine with how it's looking. You know, this one's a little bit worse. Obviously, it's going to depend on where you're parked at, but, you know, this angle here, this should be flat, ideally, and you can get different control arms, but they're pretty expensive. I think what I'll do, I'll just ride these out until they blow up or they need to be replaced, and then I'll just get new control arms for the truck. But anyway, I mean, I'm stoked on this. I think it looks so damn good. Like, so damn good. Obviously, nothing was done in the rear, but that was already lifted up. And I'll put a picture of here of the alignment readout. I did get it aligned, obviously. It was out pretty bad. So we're all good to go. I mean, man, this thing looks so freaking good now. But what we're gonna do, I don't know why on this side it doesn't rub on the front, but it does on the back there. And then this side is real bad. You can see where it's burning right there and where it's hitting that, zoom, come on, buddy. Hitting that. So we're gonna take these things off. We'll see if I have the right tools and see if that fixes anything. So it's looking like an Allen key, not sure which one. And then if I can get the camera under there, there's a bolt under there. So let's get to it. Yeah, so that was super easy. All it is 3 of these little Allen key screws and then a 10mm bolt on the bottom. And that's it. Let's get the other side done. It does leave this, but you can buy little covers for those, which I will order. All right, y'all, big tip. These are not Allen keys. They're definitely 100% a T15 Torx. You can see this one. I stripped the shit out of it. It took me a while to get out. If you do that and strip it, tiny flathead screwdriver will get it out. You can see. I tried cutting it out. Big old disaster. Kind of scratched her up there, but whatever, got touch-up paint. It's T15, it's not Allen. All right, so there we go. I think that looks way better. Obviously, look at those plugs. I can clean it up. But yeah, way better without those things. Probably take the back ones off, but granted how the first one went, I'm gonna wait till I'm in the driveway. There's the other side. Yeah, look at that. You know, like I said, just scratch it. I'll just go put some touch-up paint on it. No big deal. Hell yeah, look at that beauty. All right, let's see how bad it rubs now. I mean, obviously, we've seen just, before I run into a rock here, it still touches the fender, obviously, but, you know, a little less. So, it would rub about here before. I don't hear anything. I'll shut up, though. All right, yeah, I can feel it. Not awful, it's just that fender liner too. Better than the plastic, ripping that plastic off. So that's it. Stupid rock guard's done. The ones in front of the rear wheels are for aerodynamic shit. So I'm gonna get back home and pop those off in the driveway, and then we'll take a look. Alrighty, here we are with the backs taken off. Obviously, they're a little dirty. I think that looks good though. Real good. Yeah, just gotta plug them holes up. We're good to go.